We're also working a developing story in Kendall, a case of road rage ending in gunfire.
And Local 10's Christian De La Rosa live now off Kendall Drive with what he's learned so far. Christian.
So this was a woman in a minivan and a man on a motorcycle who opened fire. Take a look at video of the vehicles involved and the scene. Miami-Dade police getting the call around 2 o'clock this afternoon to Kendall Drive off of 137th. There was an argument between both drivers that clearly got out of hand. At one point, the rider on that motorcycle pulling out a weapon and shooting at the woman behind the wheel of that minivan, striking her in her lower body. That woman was rushed to the hospital. People in this area, I got to tell you, very disturbed at the scene here, but not shocked. Take a listen.
People don't think about their actions, not thoroughly. If he's on a bike, he could have just kept going instead of just stopping. And it's a woman. You don't know if she's a mother or if she has kids or anything. You know, that's senseless. Like, I feel like nowadays life is worth pretty much nothing. And that's disgusting.
And that's how a lot of people in this area feel. The apparent shooter who was on that motorcycle did not leave the scene. Miami-Dade police putting him in handcuffs right here. This is video from Sky 10. As all of this was developing, I'm told he is still being questioned at a police station nearby. Back out here live, that victim who was shot in the lower body rushed to the hospital. Last check, she is still in stable condition. We're live on Kendall Drive. I'm Christian De La Rosa.
Okay, we'll check back in on this story at 11 o'clock tonight. Thanks a lot there, Christian.